Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. So on this lecture here, what we're going to do is we're going to create the first model, the contact model, okay? And just like we did with extensions and some of the other things that we have done here, we are going to be separating some of these concerns into a different file. So inside the app folder, I'm going to create a models file, models.py, all right? Super cool. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to import extensions. I'm going to import the DB so that way I can play with it, right? Or I can create my contact model. So contact, and in here, we're going to pass in the model just like that, okay? Boom. Let's go ahead and name the table here so that way it doesn't, our application doesn't name it for us, right? So table name, just like that. So I want you to see what I'm doing here, all right? Underscore, and then table name, underscore. And then we're just gonna say contact here, okay? Just like that. So the first one here would be a column that will be an integer. So we're gonna get this integer. What in the world? I'm gonna take off the sorry about that. The autocomplete on this thing is just really annoying. Integer, and then we're gonna do primary key, and the primary key is going to be true, just like that. All right. I'm going to copy this guy right here. And this one is going to be a string with 120 characters. And this here will be a nullable, and we're going to make it false. Just like that. Of course, this will be the name. So let's just copy this guy and do this one more time. So we got the name, we got the email, and we're gonna get a phone, okay? And these two would be 120 characters. This one would be 50, because this is the phone number. It doesn't need much. And this one here, the email, let's give it one more option here, one more parameter. And this one, let's make a unique to be true, just like that. All right. So we got the primary key, which is going to be the ID column. We got the name, which is going to be the name of the contact. The email, unique, true, nullable, false. So we want all this to be actually not null. So that's why we put in false. All right. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a function here to return a debugging stream that we can use. So with this rep r like this, and you can see some information that it has right here, right? We can return something that's actually very valuable. We're going to return a string. That's what I'm doing here. You can see that this is the return that our function is going to do, the string. So it's going to be a f string here like this, and it's going to return this object, but we're going to make it more useful by passing in the ID and passing in the self name here as well, the name. All right. So usually what you can see, and let's close it here with a greater than symbol. Usually when we print, let's say when we grab this model later and we do print and we say contact, we're gonna see some weird stuff if we don't have this. We'll see some like the memory address of where this object will actually be. And what we want is to see something useful, all right, when we are debugging, and that's what this line is for. Anyway, yeah, let me just recap here. Well, not recap, but I'm just gonna view this again and make sure that it's correct. It should be good, guys. There's nothing wrong here right now. If anything, we'll fix it. But yeah, it should work. Our application should be still good working. We didn't do anything that's going to break our application. I'm going to do exit here. Let me get out of here. And let's do Flask run. And our application should be still working, all right? So in the next lecture, hopefully we'll get to creating the database and creating the table. I'll see you guys on the next one. Be consistent, take care, and I'll see you on the next lecture.